Prior to having my procedure done, I smiled all the time, but only with my top teeth. That is because my bottom teeth were not as straight. Definitely affected my confidence. I do a lot of public speaking at work, and so I have to lead meetings, and I just wanted to get a better smile. I'm 33 years old right now, and I decided, enough's enough, and I need to have a better smile and then a better outlook on life, really.
When David first came into our office, he wasn't very happy with his smile. He has some overcrowding, especially on the bottom of his teeth. It prevents him from properly cleaning and brushing his teeth. For David, he didn't want to wear braces, so we offered him the Sapphire Clear Smiles. That we're able to correct his crowding, align his teeth in no time, and now we're able to give him back his confidence.
Yeah, I definitely am happy with choosing the Sapphire Clear aligners because I've heard of some horror stories for braces where they had to put gel on their braces and then just so it doesn't cut their insides of the mouth. And I'm overall very happy, very, very happy with the clear aligners. Ever since I've completed the procedure of the Sapphire Clear aligners, life has gotten a little much better. I'm very happy with the results.